Howdy. Today we're going to talk to you about how to use a drill. So first off, I'm using a drill bit to drill a screw. So to start off, you want to make sure that your drill is vertical. It's not leaning to the left, not leaning to the right, not leaning away from you or toward you, but straight up and down. You want to be pressing down a little bit, putting a little bit of force, and then slowly start the drill using your offhand to hold the screw in place. Now you have to be careful right here, because what can happen is that your screw can come off the bit and you can actually puncture your finger. So be very careful when you do this. So go slow, and once you have a good little start, then with your offhand, put it on the back side of the drill and press into it, and you can screw down into it. To know how deep you need to go, you want to make sure that your screw head is flush with your piece of wood. So you'll notice that there's two red buttons on the drill, and if you look close enough, there's actually a little arrow, and it denotes which direction the drill goes. So if the right side of the drill is pushed in, it's going to drill in. If the left side is pushed in, it's going to drill out. So to back a screw out, you want to make sure that you're fully seated in your piece of wood. Make sure you're in the backup drive mode, and then you're just going to push down and pull the trigger until it goes all the way up. Warning, this may be a little warm from all the friction. Now, we're going to do a quick show you how to change your bits in case you need to go from a screw bit to a drill bit. First off, you want to make sure you're going to loosen it, so click the left side in for loosen. Hold this collet right here, hold it nice and tight, and then pull the trigger. Make sure you go slow, or else you might just rip it out of your hand, but just go slow and be assertive. And that will loosen it. Now, to tighten it, you want to press your right side again, insert your bit into position, and then slowly pull the trigger, holding your collet. So it tightens down, and once you start to get a little bit of friction in there and you can't hold anymore, take your offhand, squeeze it nice and tight, and then pull the trigger to make sure it's locked in tight. And then same thing, to use this, you press down, make sure you're perpendicular to your workpiece, so you're straight up and down, however you need to be, pressing down, and pull the trigger. Make sure you press the trigger as you go down and come up for the entire time. And then to remove the battery, all you do is you press down with your thumb, down, pull out. Simple as that. To put a new battery in, all you have to do is actually just slide it into the little grooves, make sure it clicks, check it, and it works. Some of our drills allow you to check the battery levels with a little button, so you can press there. It's hard to see, but there are 3 green lights indicating that's fully charged. Other times they'll just have 2 or 1 bars to designate that's charged or not. So, I'm Ben with Build. Let's go build.